Now let us come back to the TV diagram. So in this TV diagram, you can see a temperature in the y-axis, and x-axis you have the specific volume. So you can see here these lines. So that is the, see, we have already seen that how the water boils. Here we have taken the pressure as 0.01 megapascal. So zero point 0.1 megapascal is almost 1 bar. See, we have seen how the temperature and specific volume changes. So this will be like this. So at different pressures, so this will be different because saturation temperature, saturation pressure and saturation temperature are related to each other. So you can see these various lines. Okay, you can see this 1 megapascal and 8 megapascal, 15 megapascal, etc. Okay, then you have here, you can see that at a particular point we have already seen that. So this is the phase change process. Here you can see that there is no phase change. All this liquid is getting directly converted to the vapor state. Okay, so if you join all these things, you will get a dome shape. All these saturation point. So that means all these points are the saturation vapor points. Okay, these are the saturated liquid state. These are the saturated liquid state. So you can see that here. So here at pressure 22.06 megapascal and 373.9 degrees Celsius, you have the critical point. That means all the liquid will be converted to vapor without any phase change. So this happens only at a pressure above 22.06 megapascal and temperature 373.95 degree Celsius. So let us see what is the critical point. So critical point is defined as the point at which the saturated liquid and saturation vapor states are identical. Okay. So there is no distinction between saturated liquid and saturated vapor. You can see that here it is the saturated liquid and here it is the saturated vapor. So at this critical point you can see that it will coincide. Saturated vapor and saturated liquid both coincide. So for water, the critical point is at a pressure of 22.06 megapascal and temperature 373.95 degrees Celsius, and specific volume, critical specific volume is 0.003106 meter cube per kilogram. This is the critical volume. So at a critical point you have these points, that is pressure at 22.06 megapascal, critical temperature at 373.95 degrees Celsius, and the critical specific volume is 0.003106 meter cube per kilogram. So now let us look at the TV diagram once more. So we have already drawn this dome shape with the critical point here, and on the right side you have the saturated vapor line, and in the left side you have the saturated liquid line. Okay, and the right side of this dome you have the superheated vapor region, and the left side you have the compressed liquid region. So these are the various constant pressure heating lines, these dotted lines. So here the P1 is kept constant, and you can see this dotted line. So here the P2, it is constant, it is greater than P1. Okay, so this is all about the TV diagram.